Oh, cute. Oh, it already tells me I only have a minute. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just filming on my little vlog camera. We just got back from the grocery store. Who calls it the grocery store? We just got back from the supermarket, so I thought I'd film a grocery haul because I love watching these personally, and I know a lot of you guys do as well, especially ones in Australia, because I feel like our Aldi and Woolworths is a lot different from America's like Trader Joe's and Aldi and stuff. So yeah, I thought I'd film a healthy and affordable grocery haul. This cost me and my partner Andy under $100, so in our opinion it's pretty affordable. We got, yeah, a lot of meat, a lot of veg, some little snacks and treats, and I'll show you guys what we picked up, so just keep watching. Alright, so I just laid everything out in front of me. I'll try and show the stuff we got from Aldi first. So the first thing I picked up was this lemon, lime and bitters flavor kombucha. I've never seen this one at Aldi. I don't know if it's new or if I just don't pay attention. Probably the latter. But I thought I would try it because lemon, lime bitters is delicious and I love me a good kombucha. I then picked up some trusty coconut oil because I use this pretty much daily. I use it in all my baking and we use it on some of our foods depending on what we're cooking, so had to pick up another coconut oil. I also got these Carmen bars, the fruit nut muesli bars. I'm not usually one to buy like pre-made snacks. As you guys know, I love to make my own healthy snacks. As you might see on my Instagram, I'm always posting recipes on there, but sometimes it's just helpful to have like a pre-packaged snack on hand because sometimes you just get hungry and you don't have anything. So I like to sometimes pick up things like this because it's made out of real ingredients and like whole grains and stuff, so it keeps me full for a long time. So yeah, these are one of the healthier brands I found for like muesli bars and stuff, so I decided to pick up these ones. We then got some broccoli. As you can see, this is not in any particular order. This is so random so far, but we go through broccoli like crazy, so we already have some in the freezer and we just got some more broccoli. We have been eating a lot of, I know it's not that good, but frozen fruit and frozen vegetables lately, so we don't have a ton of fresh fruit and veg, but I do have a lot of frozen stuff because I put them in smoothies, so yeah. We then got some meat, so we picked up the 5-star beef mince. I always buy the highest rating of mince because I don't want no extra added fat or anything. So yeah, the leanest mince that I can find I always get. And then we always get chicken. If you guys have seen my hauls before, this bad boy gets bought every week. So yeah, we go through a lot of chicken. I also got a roast chook as well because I start my personal training course this week, and I'm basically, usually I meal prep something that I can microwave and warm up, but this week I can't microwave anything, or at least I don't think I can. So I was trying to think of recipe ideas that I could have on the go that don't need reheating, and I couldn't think of anything. So I'm just gonna make like a salad sandwich, as you guys will see by the rest of the ingredients. So yeah, I'm just using this roast chook with some salad. I'm just gonna make salad rolls for my lunches this week. Really lazy, but at least I know I don't have to heat that up. I then got some of my favorite YoPro yogurts. I just got the strawberry flavor, but I love all of them. The passion fruit and the blueberry are also my favorites, but they had already run out. I also got a coconut cream because you never know when you'll need it. I like to make curries and stuff with this, so got a can of coconut cream. And then we'll go on to the stuff that I bought at Woolworths. I actually got those YoPro yogurts at Woolworths as well, but I also got some spelt pasta. I love pasta, like it's just so good, and I always go between like the red lentil one or the brown rice or this one. This one's probably my favorite because I feel like it tastes the most like normal pasta, but it's like really good for your gut. Like it just doesn't give you that bloated heavy feeling. Speaking of lentils, I bought a can of them. I always like to have chickpeas, lentils and beans in my cupboard because I like to meal prep with them for my lunches, so I already have beans and chickpeas in the cupboard, so I thought I'd buy some lentils. I then have a red onion to go with my chicken salad sandwiches, and I think tonight we're having fish, chips and salad at home, so I'll use that as well to make a salad. I then bought some strawberries because I'm obsessed with strawberries and I eat them all the time. All the time? That wasn't a sentence. I eat them a lot. Then picked up some bananas. This is only a little of them. There's a whole heap on that bench if you can see it. But yeah, we eat a lot of bananas. I think we bought like 12 or 14 this week, so yeah. I then bought these chips, which you used to be able to buy at Woolworths, but I haven't seen them in a while. So instead I went to the IGA and bought them, but you might still be able to sometimes find them in Woolworths and Aldi. It depends like where you're located. But I bought the barbecue rib prawn crackers. I wouldn't say that these are healthy. They're very low calorie, so if you're like counting calories, then they're good, but they're not exactly healthy like the ingredients of them, but they taste so good, guys, like so good. I then picked up these wholemeal sandwich thins. This is what I'm going to use to make the chicken salad like sandwich roll things. I love these. It's not even because they're low calorie, it's actually just like the texture of them is so good, and I always crave them like toasted with peanut butter, so I love these, like legit. Even if you don't care about calories, these are so good. Then got a bag of mixed lettuce so we can make a little salad tonight and our salad sandwiches for the week. So it's just like a mixed leaf mix. We then got some cracked pepper and sea salt fish bites. I only like the really tiny fish bites. I can't eat fish if it's like big thick ones. So we always get like the little ones, and yeah, it has to be battered and it has to be like this, which is not very healthy, but otherwise I can't stand the taste of fish. And when I see the scales, ugh. So we buy the little mini ones. We put them in the air fryer with like homemade chips and they taste amazing. So we sometimes have these on a Sunday when we're feeling uber lazy, like tonight. We then picked up some no added sugar pasta sauce. So we always have this with the spelt pasta and the beef mince that I showed. Maybe we'll make like a spag bog this week. Otherwise, Andy eats pasta a lot, so we always need pasta sauce on hand. Then have some sliced beetroot to go with my salad sandwiches. Comment below if you guys are beetroot fans or not beetroot fans, because I feel like it's a very acquired taste. You either love it or you hate it. So yeah. By the way, if I keep looking out there, it's because Andy is like on the balcony and I'm just like wondering what he's doing. So my eyes keep looking over at him. Couple more things. We have some yogurt. This is actually Andy's because I eat the YoPro one, but he gets the no added sugar YoPlay yogurt. We also got this giant sweet potato. Like, look how big it is. It's the size, it's double the size of my head. We love sweet potato, so we'll be making some chips out of this. We then got a sad little carrot for the salad. Andy got an apple. He already has some in the fridge, so he just needed one lonesome little apple for this week. And then he got himself a little treat. These things are so good. We had them for the first time a couple weeks ago. They're really good, and Easter's coming up, so all the Easter chocolates on the shelves, and he couldn't help it at checkout. So we got these little mini eggs. And the last thing, which I'm the most excited about, and I'm actually going to try on camera, is this Blue Ribbon cookies and cream ice cream. So this company, if you guys aren't from Australia, is like a pretty renowned ice cream company, but they came out with like lower calorie ice cream in the last like week or so. So I really wanted to buy it. It is $8 for this tiny little thing when like the big tub is $4. So I don't know, I hope it tastes good. Oh, Andy, it's got like Oreo chunks in it. Where's my spoon? It's all melted. I feel like this won't be the best taste test ever. I think if it wasn't melted, because all the top layer is like that weird foamy kind of texture, so I'm like, what is that? Maybe I'll put it back in the freezer and try it. It's not bad. But yeah, that is the end of the grocery hauls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me, and I will continue to make more and give you more like meal prep ideas and that type of thing. So yeah, don't forget to thumbs it up and leave me a comment below of the types of videos you would like to see. And I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!